Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel.
A washing machine, laundry machine, clothes washer, washer, or simply wash, is a home appliance used to wash laundry. The term is mostly applied to machines that use water as opposed to dry cleaning, which uses alternative cleaning fluids and is performed by specialist businesses, or ultrasonic cleaners. The user adds laundry detergent. Removal of soap and water from the clothing after washing was a separate process. First, soap would be rinsed out with clear water. After rinsing, the soaking wet clothing would be formed into a roll and twisted by hand to extract water. The entire process often occupied an entire day of hard work, plus drying and ironing.
Top 4 COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine.
Equipped with a large stainless steel inner tub and powerful motor, the washer is suitable for washing and dehydration, which also can be used separately as needed. Designed with automatic unbalance detection mechanism, the washing machine will correct imbalance of the tub automatically. The washing machine comes with 8 washing programs and 10 water levels on the control panel for easy operation. For example, heavy mode takes 57 minutes to wash jeans and big clothes, while gentle mode for washing wool requires 26 minutes. As for child lock, you can press the 2 buttons simultaneously to activate the safety lock. Featuring a clear washer lid, you can view the process of clothes at any time while using the washing machine. An adjustable foot is placed at the bottom to enhance stability on uneven ground.
Top 3 Auertech Portable Washing Machine.
Auertech Portable Mini Washer has 2 separate tubs, washing tub and spin tub, allowing you to wash and dry clothes at the same time. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to fit in bathrooms or closets. Perfect for dorms. Equipped with a 1300 RPM powerful motor, clothes can be washed quickly and efficiently. Washer, 12 pounds, spin cycle, 8 pounds. This portable washing machine equipped with a drainage pump. You can choose freely drain water to a higher position or a convenient place randomly. Washing mode and spinning time through the 3 control switches on the panel. There is 2 water inlets on the panel for connecting the hose to easily add water. This washing machine is lightweight, does not deform and rust easily, and has a long service life. The washing cycle is up to 15 minutes and the spinning cycle is up to 5 minutes each load.
Top 2 VCJ Portable Washing Machine.
This washer is perfect for washing small and medium loads such as shirts, underwear and baby clothes. We upgrade the extended drain pipe, so you can drain more easily. And this portable washing machine equipped with a drainage pump. Washer control timer runs for up to 15 minutes while the spin cycle timer runs for up to 5 minutes each load. No installation is required. Easy to move and transport to anywhere. Lightweight and space-saving design allows it easily fit in a bathroom or closet. Put the clothes in. Fill with water. Set time. Hit start button. Go and sip your coffee. Take it out. Simply enjoy clean laundry and fragrance of laundry detergent. Twin tub design.
Top 1 VIVOHOME Electric Portable Laundry.
In order to save your precious time, the new semi-automatic VIVOHOME washing machine can wash and spin dry clothes at the same time. Made of high-quality and lightweight plastic, this mini washer dryer is sturdy and rust-resistant and has a lower power consumption compared to metal models, which means it is energy-saving and environmentally friendly. The cover of the machine can fully open for your convenience of putting or taking clothes. Small body but surprisingly large capacity. The washing machine can hold up to 8 pounds of clothes, while the dryer can hold up to 5.5 pounds, equivalent to half of the washing capacity. The washing machine control timer runs for a maximum of 15 minutes at a time, and the spin cycle timer runs for a maximum of 5 minutes per load. The machine is compact and lightweight enough to transport and store in small spaces.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.